Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of YesStyle app. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about YesStyle and you will enter in this window. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of YesStyle. You will click on YesStyle app. And then you will update your app if you find updates here. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by liking.